Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to make Temu money easily. Temu is a popular e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of products at affordable prices. To start making money on Temu, you need to understand the platform and its features. First, you need to create an account on Temu. This can be done by downloading the Temu app or visiting the Temu website. Once you have created your account, you can start exploring the platform and its features. One of the easiest ways to make money on Temu is by referring friends and family to the platform. Temu offers a referral program that rewards users for inviting others to join the platform. You can earn money by sharing your unique referral link with others and getting them to sign up. Another way to make money on Temu is by selling products. You can start by selecting a niche or category of products that you are interested in selling. You can then search for products on Temu and purchase them at discounted prices. Once you have purchased the products, you can resell them on other platforms or to friends and family at a markup. Temu also offers a drop shipping feature that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory. This feature is ideal for those who want to start an online business without having to invest in inventory. To be successful on Temu, you need to have a good understanding of the platform and its features. You also need to be able to select the right products to sell and price them correctly. It is also important to provide good customer service to build a positive reputation on the platform. In conclusion, making money on Temu is easy and straightforward. By following these steps and tips, you can start earning money on the platform. Remember to always follow the terms and conditions of the platform and to provide good customer service to build a positive reputation. With the right mindset and strategy, you can be successful on Temu and earn a significant amount of money.